what's up guys, it's me Geek. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. Also this apply on the Tab S4 or any tablet running Android 8 Oreo from Samsung. But sadly there's not an app drawer. I mean, you see, I don't like this. There's so many apps. I wanna organize myself, I mean. But to do this, I'm gonna turn on the app drawer. Go to setting, click the display, click the home screen, click the home screen, and click the home and apps. That's simple. This is how you turn on the home screen. You see, now everything look beautiful, isn't it? Now I got my apps. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and buy. So this is my home screen and this is my app drawer. Yeah, again, bye.